This is an insulated stainless steel cup. I'm going to put boiling water in there. This bottom plate is being heated by the hot water. At the moment, this top plate is at room temperature in an air-conditioned room. And the greater this temperature difference, the faster this will run. The power piston is running the flywheel, and the flywheel is running the displacer. That's been running for about 2 minutes, and that's about as fast as this will go. This runs counterclockwise as viewed from this side. It's been running for 8 minutes. It's been running for 10 minutes. It has been running for 13 minutes. Exactly 14 minutes on a cup of boiling water. After this has been running, I take this off, and this bottom will have condensation all over it. Dry that off. You do not want water to get inside where the displacer is, or in where the power piston is, or here. None of this requires lubrication. No oil in here. No oil in there. And if anything, you might take a pencil and put a little pencil lead or graphite on these points here. I haven't touched it. This is just the way it came from the factory. The flywheel is running on 2 sets of bearings. The displacer in here, just a piece of lightweight foam. I'm going to let everything get back to room temperature, and we're going to do this again. We're going to put a couple of ice cubes on here and see how much we can extend that runtime. I've preheated the cup, and we have 2 ice cubes in place. I'm going to pour this out and put boiling water in there, and we'll see how long it'll run. The paper towel is to absorb the ice cube as it melts. I do not want the water to run down in the center or down here where the displacer is. It's been running 2 minutes already. It has now run 4 minutes. It has now run 18 minutes. 28 minutes. I think I need more ice. The run time is now 30 minutes. We have more than doubled the previous time. "36 minutes. "41 minutes. "43 minutes. Not quite 44 minutes. Just under 44 minutes on a cup of boiling water and a couple of ice cubes. I believe that proves that maintaining the maximum temperature differential will give you a long run time. This is a very good LTD Stirling model.